my dear friends, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you the collection of kids wears. We have lots of varieties in kids wear, so I have chosen some samples for you and I have kept it over here. So please keep watching this video and I am going to show you all the collection. So let's move forward and let's see the first sample of our today's video, that is going to be the kids wear. So let's hold the first piece. We are going to start with the baby girls collection. That is a very pretty collection over here. You can see this is the bottom and it is coming with this very tiny and cute frock with it. Very unique piece with a great quality of fabric we are providing you. Let's move forward again and let's see another piece with the skirt and top concept. This is the off shoulder top. I hope you will have an idea that how elegant this piece is going to look like, and I want to show you the piece again. Look, skirt and top we are providing you, so very unique and decent piece you are getting over here with a great quality of fabric and something uniqueness with it. Next sample is off shoulder one piece. Yes, one piece in a baby girls collection, that is very unique and authentic and very attractive piece I am going to show you. You can see the quality of the fabric, that is also very good. We have wide range of collection in kids wear. We have sari, we have kurti, we have lehenga, nighty, dress material, everything whatever a retailer needs, that everything we have. So next we are going to see some night dress collection. You can see pant and top with a great color combination over here, and same way again. Let's move forward and let's see this piece. What is this? Okay, so this is a frock type of look. This is going to be a frock with a very pretty color and decent design. Now we are going to see a festive collection special. This very dhoti kind of look. You can see this is a dhoti and you can see color combination ash grey color with the yellow color we have maintained, and very unique piece we are providing you over here. So attractive piece this was too. We have fancy, simple, daily wear, party wear, festive collection, all kind of varieties over here. Want to see that collection, want to sell this product to your place, want to be an entrepreneur, so you can come at Ajmera Fashion. We have lowest range, like we have starting range here is just 23 rupees. Yes, you heard it right, we have starting range here in a kids wear particular 23 rupees, that is in a wholesale. So that's why if you want to start your clothes business and want to sell this product, please come here. Next we are going to see this three piece. So it has this jacket and inside that it has a top and it also provides a skirt. But if you don't want skirt, so you have this pant inside it, so it's upon you. You can modify this piece according to you. Now next I'm going to show you this beautiful tiny frock over here with a great quality of accessories. Yes, on the neck area you are getting a value addition over here. So it was very pretty piece, and same piece I want to show you but in a bigger size. We have all sizes, small like from 1 baby to 15 years baby girl and baby boy, for all kind of varieties we have. Next we are going to see a bit bigger frock over here with the off shoulder. You can see something, this kind of unique piece we are providing you here with a great quality of fabric. Now you might have a question that ma'am, why you are not mentioning price? Main reason I am not disclosing price, that if I will disclose the price, that will be problem for all of you to add your margin. That's why I am not disclosing price. But if you want to know price or else have any inquiry, want to order anything online, please come here. We are here to help you, to guide you how to order and how to sell to your customers. Let's move further and let's see another pattern over here. Look at this brilliant piece again with the frock with the approx 9 years old baby girl. And next we are going to see a fancy top kind of shrug kind we are providing you with it. This is the frock, and over the frock we are providing you this shrug with a contrast color, and it is coming with the lycra fabrics bottom. So it was just a girls collection. You can see in my background there are lots of boxes, and this side there are boxes, this side behind the camera there are lots of varieties we have maintained, but it's really not possible to show us everything in just one video. So it's my humble request, direct contact us, so we will provide you everything one by one to you. You just have to message us on WhatsApp or just call us, so we are here to guide you. Now next we are going to see a boys collection. I have this born baby size. Look, this is going to be the born baby piece. So in the Born Baby I have 2 or 3 different varieties right now here to show you sample. You can see this is the sample. If you want only bottom, so we have only bottom too over here. So it is very unique and attractive piece we are providing you. Same way I want to show you this hoodie pattern. This is great for a winters. You can see it is very unique and for a special winter collection if you want to maintain at your place. So this is a winter collection special, and with this color combination and kind of hoodie and sweater jacket we are providing you with it. So very unique. I just want to show you some daily wear or party wear collection so that you will have just an idea. Look, we have wild range of collection. Shirt with bottom, t-shirt, long sleeves t-shirt with the long jeans. If you want only hoodie kind of jacket, if you want long sleeves jacket, you can see this is the long sleeves jacket. If you want festive collection traditional wear, that is also we have. If you want Indo-Western, that is also we have. If you want full Western, that is also we have. So it's upon you. If you want to start your clothes business, please come here. You will get everything whatever a retailer need. For online order, numbers are on screen, just call there. Then we are here to guide you how to purchase, or transportation is available. Also you have a question about transportation, payments and method of payment, do not worry, we are here to guide you. So this was our video about kids wear. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today, signing off.